Hello, it is January 26th. I'm in my garden. I came outside before it got too dark to assess all the things that I need to get done back here. It's a lot. A lot needs to done. Lots needs to get done. I'm not mic'd, so hopefully you can hear me over the highway and the boy in the back. But yeah, let's take a look at what I gotta do. For now on, all of my videos will be recorded on my new Pixel Pro 9 Pro. I just got it and I absolutely love it. And I'm just kind of testing it out. This is going to be the first video that I've actually recorded with it. So basically what I'm doing now is taking a look at what I need to do, and I'm going to write it down in my book. This is Primrose. Primrose is so pretty, but it's so aggressive, and I didn't know that it was this aggressive. Kind of takes over, so even after the snow, you can still see Primrose. The leaves are still there. I'm gonna have to figure out how to keep these controlled. I bet you there's some behind that air conditioning unit. But yeah, there's Primrose everywhere. It really spread a lot, even when it wasn't blooming. I really don't want the Primrose to be everywhere. This side, so we did get snow here in Atlanta. And now what was green looks like that. Not really too concerned with this. I see the grass did grow into the stepping stones. These are still good, they never change. Why am I filming at night? I don't know, but this girl right here, we're going into the 3rd year and it's never bloomed, and I'm hoping it's gonna bloom this year. Last year it was green and gorgeous, so I think we're gonna make it. That's gonna be exciting. I might even cry. Now the rest of this, like this is lavender, right? I need to figure out, like I'm not really sure. Am I supposed to cut this stuff down? Just leave it? I don't even know. Trim it? I don't know. I would like to put a tree here, something like a I can't speak. Pomegranate. I don't know why I couldn't say that. Pomegranate tree here, something like that here. Then we're playing with the idea, because if you watch my other videos, specifically I talk about this steel bed here. See how it's leaning up on the fence? But what I think I want to do is empty it out, start all over, and either put it right here or put it in the middle of this section here. And the reason, and this is actually my husband's suggestion, and the reason why I think this area would be better is because this will be full of flowers. There'll be things growing here, and those 2 boxes will also be full of flowers. And maybe if they're more in proximity to each other, then we would get a different outcome on the output, if you catch what I'm saying. So since it snowed, I never came back out here to see anything, because I figured everything I had growing out here was dead. So I never got to harvest these peas, but I know we could eat these if I wanted to. So since they're not dead, but I think the frost, we had quite a few frosty days. I don't think we're gonna get peas off of these, but we can certainly eat those pea shoots. And then over here, I think this is done, so that's fine. This was radishes. I was able to get some out, But at this point, I think the only thing that's good here now is the garlic. I can't tell. Let's see. Hold on now. You might have, let's see if there's anything under here. Let's see. Wait. Oh. Might be some edible radishes under here. Get them out. See. Oh. Got a few. Maybe they're good. Might have some radishes in here. Beautiful. Okay. Could be some food under there. It's like the leaves are not, they're damaged, but there might be some radishes in here. I'm gonna have to come back out in the daytime and take a look. If I pull the leaves back, kind of dig around like this. So obviously I put these seeds out here without, that's not the way you're supposed to just, I didn't have space. You can tell by the way the tops are. So everything didn't develop, which is what I was thinking. So I'll take these in the house and I'll eat these tonight with the dinner that my husband's making. Let's move on to another section. So what else is out here? The garlic looks okay, I guess. That's another radish. That's an icicle radish. Cabbage. I've actually have taken cuttings from this cabbage quite a few times, and it still looks good after the snow. So I'll leave those. I'll trim those up. This was arugula. You can see some arugula here. I'm just gonna leave all of this and see what happens. It's warming up again, so let's see. Usually these things should have been covered, but I don't have covers on my boxes. Some of this stuff doesn't look dead. It looks okay. Let's see what this is why I came out here to take a look at everything. They don't look terrible. Some of it you can see is like that. A little tangled, but not bad. Of course, I'm sure the garlic is fine. Okay, we got something to work with here. This is a 14-foot cinder block bed that just has florals in it. So I got to come in here and trim back everything that, I was just kind of waiting for everything to die off, except for that tree. And I need to top it off because everything is sunken down so low. But yeah. Then I have over here, this is mint in that corner. So I'm sure that's going to come back. Grass. And then this right here is my banana plant that I need to do some research on because I don't know anything about banana plants. It's my first time growing them. Okay. So, yeah. We're going to move that steel bed. We're going to move it to either right here, which wouldn't be a bad spot, or in the middle over there. But once I empty it out and look at it, and then over here, I might try to dig around them some more and see if there's any more potatoes here, because this is where the sweet potatoes came from that I harvested, all those potatoes. But this is basically a floral bed, and I'm not going to do anything over here. So originally what I wanted to do was dig this out, put these cinder blocks here underneath and level it off, but now I don't even want it against the fence. And maybe I can put some more trees in or some more floral shrubs. I'm looking for like this Martha Stewart floral situation back here. And I'm really focusing more on the flowers than the actual vegetation because, oh, there might be potatoes in there. I have to look. The other thing I want to do is do vertical growing this year. Really want to do that. I want to do some vertical growing. So yeah, just a quick update on the yard. It's not a big, huge job. I think I want to approach it with organization this year. I have a ton of seeds, and I'm going to do some seed starting soon, maybe in February. I have a garden planner that I'm creating. That's almost finished. So I have a book I'm writing. There'll be another 2 books I'm going to put together this year. Hopefully a cookbook and a garden book. I want to do that this year. I have some things I want to do. And yeah, so I'm excited to share all the things that I have going on in this journey. And I hope you come back to see what I come up with. See you next time when I start digging up the yard.